So from live we have Israel is bombed.
We have attack on Israel as we speak.
So we see the rockets
This is
falling,
Iran attacking.
falling
We
on
have
Israel.
rockets, drones coming
from
down on
Iraq,
Israel from
Iran, Lebanon,
Yemen, from
Yemen.
Iran, from
So
Iraq,
Israel is
from
being
Lebanon.
bombed as we speak.
So we have
We're
Lebanon,
talking about hundreds of rockets and drones.
Iran,
So
Yemen
this is
are
from
shooting
live.
rockets
We
and
have
sending
Israel
drones to
is
Israel.
bombed
We're
live
talking
as we
about
speak.
hundreds.
This comes as
So
Israel
Israel
has
is being
bombed
attacked and
Iran's
America is not doing
embassy in
anything.
Syria. Now
Not doing
Israel
anything.
has
Not
declared
even
war to
helping Israel.
Iran, and
So
Iran declared
Israel is
war
being
on
bombed
Israel.
and
We have World War
USA is
III. Let's see
watching.
what the USA
This is
will
very
do.
strange, people. You see
But
the rockets.
yeah,
See the
it
rockets.
has begun.
So yeah,
Not
maybe they
working
will
on
do
it.
something,
World War
Americans.
III.
But this is
Yes.
Israel
Now
on
we
attack.
have it.
This is much worse than the 7th of
Making
October
any
attack. The 7th of October attack is a
work
picnic
this
compared to this one. Now Israel will be destroyed.
as soon
If not USA do anything to help her, Israel will be destroyed beyond repair. Bye bye, Bibi Netanyahu. Bye bye, Arez Israel. Bye bye, Greater Israel. That's it.